Welcome back to Dark Pool Daily. Today I'm rolling out a brand new feature for the channel. Up to now, we've focused mainly on the big indexes like SPY, QQQ, and IWM. But from now on, I'll also be highlighting unusual dark pool buying in small and mid-cap names that most traders overlook. Here are today's standouts. HIMS, HIMS and HERS Health came in with more than 200 million in dark pool buying. That's massive relative to its market size. NXP Semiconductors showed over 160 million in flow. Light, Lumentum Holdings, added another 158 million. And NDAQ, Nasdaq itself, registered around 155 million in premium. These are stocks that don't usually hit the radar for institutional flow. But today the dark pools lit up with big buys. That's why I'm making this a permanent part of the show. Starting now, you'll see the small and mid-cap spotlight at the end of every Dark Pool Daily recap. If you want to catch the next HIMS or Light before it makes headlines, make sure to subscribe and stick around until the end of each video. This is Dark Pool Daily. Let's keep following the money.